everyone. Namaste. मेरा नाम है मीनल चैटर्जी. I'm the founder of Kindle Arts, and I welcome you all to yet another episode of Let's Talk. Let's Talk में हम अलग-अलग kinds of guests को बुलाते हैं जो entrepreneurs हैं, जिन्हें बातें करना पसंद है अपने बारे में, अपने business के बारे में, अपनी artistic skills के बारे में. Because at this time, the one thing we are missing the most is talking. So who's here with us today? We have Disha. Disha is an artist. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट बड़ी-बड़ी पेंटिंग्स बनाते हैं, बड़े-बड़े साइज के कैनवासेस बनाते हैं. Disha का कैनवास साइज 8 mm by 15 mm है. Can you guess what she paints on? She paints on your fingernails. Hi Disha, let's know more from her. I welcome you to Let's Talk. How are you today? And let me tell everybody, it's Disha's birthday today. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday, Disha.
Thank you so much, Meenal. Namaste, everyone. My name is Disha Kulshrestha, and I am a nail artist, and I have my own studio by the name Nail the Art Studio in Noida. And so yes, as Meenal said, I paint the tiniest canvas, which is nails. Not the tiniest, probably. People do paint on rice and stuff as well, but yes, I paint on nails.
Wow. So how has the journey been? Tell us more about how you started this venture.
So, Meenal, this is more like a hobby turned into profession. So it was more like a hobby for me. I used to paint. Basically, I had my, I loved doing fabric painting, oil painting, and nib painting. So they were my forte. And I was always surrounded by colors and paint brushes. And yes, being a girl from very young age, I used to love painting my nails as well, like polishing them, keeping them beautiful. So that is how it started, I think. And then one day I just picked up a few acrylic colors and made a flower on my fingernail, and then just did a top coat, and it stayed on for a good 1 week. And that is how I discovered that I can do acrylic paint on nails. What if I don't have different colors of nail polishes? And that is how I started. And it all started.
Wow. So accidentally turned into an artist, but I'm sure there were some traits already in you. The creativity was somewhere hidden. I think it just needed to be rekindled, as we say. So tell me, what are those traits that make you a successful nail artist? Because there are a lot of people who will be inspired by looking at you if they can also turn their profession into something so interesting. So what are those traits?
So, yeah, sorry, what did you say?
So what are those traits that a good nail artist has?
Yes. So I would say, see, I have 3 P's that I always say that there are 3 P's, which is we call it, first is patience, the second one is your passion, and the third one I would say is practice. So these are the 3 P's that I always say, that it is patience, passion, and practice, which make you or break you. So if you have passion for your work, and you have patience, and you have your practices going on, then you can forte any kind of art form, at least I can say.
Awesome. So these are like, we all knew the 3 P's of marketing, but for nail art, this is something new. And thanks for sharing this innovative thought with us. So is that what differentiates you from other nail artists? Are these P's that really make you different, or something else?
Yes, they do, because I keep practicing. I have a lot of patience for nails. I have all the patience in the world, you can say, and I am very passionate about what I am doing. So that definitely differentiates me. And to add on it, my customization really adds on. My one-on-one conversation with my clients, I know each and every client of mine absolutely personally, because they're sitting in front of me for 1 to 1.5 hours. We are doing nails, we are chatting. So I know in and out, and we talk a lot. And my customization, I give them what they want. We talk about them. We budget it properly. So I give them everything. So I think that differentiates me from the other nail studios, I would say.
Right. So people would be interested to know the world of nail art. What are the different kind of things that you do? What are your services like?
See, for nails, services are gel overlay, poly gel overlay, or you can get nail extensions done. So if you have really tiny nails and you want instant length added to your nails and you want your nails to be absolutely party ready and glamorous and everything, you can come over and get nail extensions. That is one part of the nail business. The second is that if you want naturally your nails to be long, then this needs a little patience and it needs sittings. But you come to us, give us your natural nails, and we will just do an overlay over them. And then in due like 1 month, 2 month, I would say 3 sittings, and your nails will be naturally long and strong with that support of polygel. So, and then of course, nail art. You can have beautiful stones added to your nails and beautiful designs added to your nails. So basically, it is creativity, it is endless. We can keep creating beautiful nails.
And you also teach. Let me tell everybody that we are going to soon have a workshop with Disha. It's a date of, scheduled for 2nd of June. So all you interesting people who want to start your journey of nail art, this is the right time. You can find the details on our Facebook page. Coming back to you, Disha, how can people reach out to you? Please tell them.
So, see, I'm based in Noida, right? So you can reach out to me. My phone number is always there. On social media, I'm there on Instagram by the name Disha Nail the Art. So my studio name is Nail the Art, and just add my name in front of it. That makes my Instagram name, which is Disha Nail the Art. You can DM me there. I'm quite active. You can look through my work, and you can decide on yourself whether whenever you want to come and whatever. All the information is there. Then I'm there on YouTube. My mailing address is there. I'm there on Google Maps. I'm there on Google. You search around and you'll find me, Nail the Art Studio, and the Google will guide you, and Google Maps is there. So yes, I'm quite nicely available.
Awesome, awesome. I'm sure you are, and I wish you all the best. And more people reach out to you after watching this show. I'm sure many more would be reaching out to you for sure. And what's that one thing, Disha, that you would like to tell maybe young girls or entrepreneurs who are looking at something so creative to start their businesses? What is that one thing you would like to tell them?
See, I would say that if you are creative and you're passionate about something, it doesn't mean that you would fit professionally into it. So you have to try it out first, whether you're enjoying it professionally, because professionally you are doing what client wants you to do. You're not doing what you want to do. Right, of course, once you grow and your client starts believing in you, then you can really tell them, this will look good, this won't look good, and then you can mix and match some of your clients' suggestions, some of your suggestions, and then. But initially, you have to do what your clients want to do. So you have to see whether you really enjoy the artwork that you're doing. If you're in a creative world, or I really do not know about the marketing world, but for the creative world, I can say that if you really enjoy it doing professionally, then only jump into it as a startup business. Otherwise, it will be really tough.
Absolutely right. I think that's a thumb rule for all the businesses. If you are passionate about it, if you love it, if you're ready to give your heart, soul, blood to it,
Absolutely.
get into it. And I'm sure slowly and
Yes.
steadily you will reach where you want it to.
Yes.
And that's great to know. And one thing which I am passionate about, or which I like the most, is the next segment of this show, which is rapid fire. So, are you ready for it, or are you prepared for it?
Yes, I am.
Okay, this is gonna be fun. So let's quickly end this show with a rapid fire, Disha. I'll shoot some questions to you. You can't take more than 3 seconds to answer. All right.
Okay.
Otherwise, there are negative marks. And let me tell you that there's no hamper. Okay, that's coming your way. It's just some good wishes that we can give you at this moment. So, but still, we'll be glad if you can take part in this rapid fire. So, are we ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right. Let's begin. Are you a selfie person? Yes, no.
Yes.
What can you do faster? Cook 5 chapatis or do five nail arts?
5 nail arts.
Okay. What is the first thing you'll do after the lockdown is over?
I'll have more clients and I'll do more nails.
Just You're truly too much into your work for sure. Yeah. All right. Let us see if you know, because a lot of your clients must be young girls, I believe. So let us see if you know the millennial lingo. All right. I'm testing you on millennial lingo. What is the full form of FOMO? FOMO.
No, I don't have any idea.
No? All right. I'll tell you. It's fear of missing out.
Oh.
All right. All right. The
Okay.
next one, if you don't know this one, the next one might be again tough for you. What is the full form of YOLO? YOLO.
Fear. No, 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 no.
All right,
No.
not a problem. आज आप कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं मेरे से. I'm happy for that. You only live once. That's the mantra
Oh
these
my
days for the
God.
millennial. Yeah, I have to
Okay.
keep tab on this because a lot of my customers are millennials too. Okay, the
Okay.
next one might be easy. What is the full form of OMG?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. You can't do that now because we still have more questions to go. All right. Arrange these in your order of your preference. All right. Arrange these activities in the order of your preference.
Okay.
Dancing, singing, eating out, talking, painting.
Okay. Painting, dancing, eating out, talking, singing.
All right. That was nice. Okay. Last, sing a bhajan for us.
Om Jai Jagdish Hare Swami Jai Jagdish Hare Bhakt Jano ke
संकट
क्षण में दूर
दूर
करे
करे.
Om Jai
Much needed.
Jagdish.
This bhajan is much needed for now. We really, really wish that everybody stays safe. उनके सब संकट दूर हो. संकट मोचन भगवान हमारी सबकी रक्षा करे. And on that good note, Disha, I wish you all the best and happy birthday once again.
Thank
I
you.
hope we made your birthday a little more special with this talk
Yes.
show. Yes.
Yes, you did. Yes,
Yes,
you did.
and I wish you all the best, Disha. May you succeed in many more clients and many more contracts. May you grow leaps and bounds. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Meenal. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.